Tired of feeling like you're running in a rat race with a 9 to 5? Going to work, getting up every morning can be exhausting. I know, and you're looking for a path to wealth? I got you. The stock market is a path to wealth. The stock market has long been considered one of the best ways to build wealth. And here's why. First, compound growth is key. When you invest in the stock market, your money grows over time as companies increase in value and distribute profits. Reinvesting those profits allows your money to grow exponentially through compound interest. Second, historical returns show that the stock market consistently outperforms any other asset class, like saving accounts, bonds. While short-term volatility exists, long-term investments in the stock market have provided average annual returns of 7 to 10%, significantly growing your wealth over time. That's more than banks pay. I'm not lying. Check it. Do your research. Third, ownership. When you invest in the stock market, you're essentially buying a piece of the company and a piece of a company that you believe in. As those companies grow and succeed, so do you, one of the owners, the people that own the stock, leading to wealth creation. Finally, the stock market allows you to diversify. Diversification, which reduces risk by investing in a variety of sectors and companies, you spread out your risk and protect your wealth from the market downturns. Though it requires patience and a lot of discipline, the stock market remains a powerful tool for anyone looking to build long-term wealth.